Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Highlands Park 1, Sekhukhune 1. Sekhukhune wins by penalties. I'm joined by fan, my brother. Libitso ke mang o tswa ko kae?
Kishelton Kutsachozi.
Utsachozi, my brother. O ikutlwa jwang after o jewa?
Honestly, I'm not happy. I expected more from the chance, but you know, football, you win some, you lose some.
You lose some, my brother. Yeah. But where did it go wrong for your team?
For me personally, I think the team did well enough. We managed to throw the ball to the game to penalties. So yeah, football, you know.
Yeah, did you have a man of the match today, my brother?
For me, it was our left back.
Your left back?
Yeah, he was top notch today.
What's his name, my brother?
Come on, Libito.
How did he play out?
Guilty, but he left back here.
That was the guy.
That was the guy.
My brother. Okay. So will you support another team? Because there's a share of 5 million waiting from Nedbank.
No, I will stay with Highlands Park because I come from their development. So my team always.
Okay, it's your team or nothing, my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.